Flying for the first time or don't travel often? Airport security can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, we've got you covered with TSA must-know rules to make your trip smoother. 3-1-1 Liquids Rule. Let's start with the 3-1-1 rule. Any liquids, gels, or aerosols like toothpaste, shampoo, or hairspray should be 3.4 ounces or less and placed in a clear, resealable quart-sized bag. Remember, each passenger is allowed one bag, so pack smart and keep it easily accessible for quick screening. Laptop computers. Next, laptops. Since they're dense and can obstruct the X-ray view, laptops need to be scanned separately. Place your laptop in its own bin without other items, unless you have a TSA-approved bag. Tablets and e-readers. Tablets and e-readers also need to be screened separately, just like laptops. TSA rules require any device larger than a phone to go in its own bin. Medically necessary liquids and creams. Medically necessary liquids and creams are an exception to the 3.4-ounce rule. Be sure to inform the TSA officer if you have medications, and keep them in your carry-on for easy access. Gaming consoles. Got a gaming console like a Nintendo Switch or PlayStation? Any device bigger than your phone needs to go through security separately. Plus, always carry them on board if they have lithium batteries. Follow these tips and you'll be ready to fly through airport security like a pro. Safe travels, and don't forget to check your airline website for any additional rules. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more travel tips and tricks.